During an earthquake, each floor sways independently, like a snake dancing. The Shinbashira moves out of sync with the tower, dampening vibrations and preventing collapse. At Horyuji Temple, the ancient Shinbashira has helped the pagoda survive over 300 years of earthquakes. The pillar acts like a pendulum, fixed at the base, free at the top, absorbing and dispersing seismic energy. This simple, intuitive design is the key to the pagoda's resilience. The builders understood that rigidity is a weakness in an earthquake. Instead, they created a structure that bends, sways, and survives.